In this video, I've got this really awesome photography trick that you can do to remove people from your photos. So let's get right into it. Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video, I'm talking about this really awesome photography trick that you can use when you're taking photos in crowded places. Now, picture this. You're in the city centre of London and you've gone to the London Eye and you're gonna take this really awesome photo. But the problem is that when you get there, there's a world of tourists standing about in the way and it just ruins the photo. What can you do to remove them? Well, fortunately, there's this really awesome long exposure trick that you can do that will completely blur them out, providing that they are moving. So in order to do this, you need three things. You need a camera, you need a tripod, and you need an ND filter. So you want to begin by mounting your camera to your tripod and framing up the shot. Now you want to pull your shutter speed all the way down to at least 30 seconds. Now, the problem is when you pull your shutter speed all the way down to 30 seconds is you're letting in 30 seconds worth of light into the camera sensor. And this basically means that your image will be overexposed. So this is where the ND filter comes into play. So you want to grab your ND filter. That's what this is right here. This is an ND filter and you can get these in different intensities. The smallest ND is around ND2 and this is gonna do next to nothing to your image, but you can go all the way up to around ND16 and you can really block out the light. An ND filter is basically sunglasses for your camera. So you want to screw your ND filter onto your camera and double check the exposure. If everything is perfectly exposed, then you want to set your timer on your camera to at least 2 seconds. This basically means that camera shake won't be applied to your image when you take the photo. So with the timer applied, you want to press the shutter button, leave the camera, and let the camera do its thing for the next 30 seconds. And now when we look back at the image, all of those people will completely blur out, and providing they were moving, then they're just gonna completely disappear into thin air. It's a really awesome and really bizarre trick, but it really works, providing that people are moving. If you've got one of those stubborn tourists that refuse to move, that just stands there and doesn't move, then unfortunately they will be in the shot, regardless of how long you keep your shutter open for. This is slightly annoying, but unfortunately there's nothing you can really do about this other than take more photos or wait for these people to move out of the way. So as soon as this person moves, retry the photo, make sure people are moving around in the shot, and if they are, with your shutter speed set to 30 seconds, all of those people will completely disappear from the photo. It's a really awesome, really handy, and really simple trick that you should remember the next time you're taking photos of landmarks in really busy places. So, if this video helps you in any way, shape or form, then please do let me know in that comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe, check out the previous video, and I will see you tomorrow for another brand new video. Thank you for watching.